In this three-part series of animations, we will review factors that contribute to wrong surface events. Part 1, Pilot. Part 2, Environment. And Part 3, Training. In Part 1, we reviewed human factors affecting pilots, such as confusion, complacency, and expectation bias. Click on to the Animations tab on the upper right-hand corner to review Part 1. Continuing on to Part 2, we will now focus on factors affecting the pilot's environment, such as airspace congestion, task overload, and airport geometry.
The following replay is based on a real-life event. Cherokee 2 Whiskey, a light, single-engine aircraft on approach to a busy general aviation airport with parallel runways during daytime VMC, lands on the wrong runway. The airport diagram identifies multiple hotspots, including one highlighting the proximity of the parallel runways. As you watch, keep an eye out for environmental factors that negatively affected the pilot's ability to understand the clearance and possibly leading to the wrong surface landing event.
Tower Cherokee 2 Whiskey 6 Southwest, information India for landing.
Clear left downwind runway 28 right side.
Left downwind for 28 right to Whiskey.
57 runway 28 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 28 right, 57.
To Whiskey number 2, following a Cherokee, there being the numbers on the right downwind. Report them in sight.
Looking to Whiskey.
Sierra, we've completed our orbits of Fire Lake and we are en route to Air Lake.
For Sierra, previous changes approved. There's no observed traffic at Air Lake at this time. Have a great flight.
Alright, thanks. You have a great night too.
To Whiskey, the opposite Cherokee's on the right base, below and to your left.
And which runway is he going to?
Both are assigned to go to runway 28 right. You'll be following him.
Okay, to Whiskey, we'll start our base.
To Whiskey, the spacing does look good. Number 2, the traffic's now turning close and final. Spacing's good. Runway 28 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, runway 28 right to Whiskey.
What can we learn from this event? There are a number of environmental factors that may have led to the wrong surface landing. Upon reporting inbound, the pilot was instructed to enter left downwind, runway 28 right side. This instruction may have been visually confusing because of the parallel runway configuration. The larger, wider runway 28 left was seen by the pilot before he acquired his assigned runway. Even with a correct readback, the pilot landed on the incorrect parallel surface. Additionally, the certified flight instructor was actively providing instruction to a student pilot, which caused a distraction. Finally, consider the high volume of traffic at the busy airport. At least 2 aircraft, 840 and 357, were nearby. This increased the complexity of the approach due to the need to see and avoid other traffic.
There are many ways we can improve the human factors affecting the pilot's environment and reduce wrong surface landing frequency. Be aware of the pavement, lighting, and markings you are landing on. Verify correct runway alignment while on approach and prior to touching down. Familiarize yourself with chart supplements, airport diagrams, and NOTAMs, especially at airports with parallel runways. Review additional guidance in the Pilot's Handbook of Aeronautical Knowledge. Check magnetic compass orientation. Reference instrument approach courses and other tools. Eliminate distractions during critical phases of flight, including ill-timed flight instruction or passenger conversation. If an assigned clearance or instruction may jeopardize safety, state unable and request the desired clearance. Always be prepared to go around if in any doubt of making a safe landing on the correct surface. Click on the Resources tab. There, You'll find several FAA resources you can use to discuss safety with your peers and instructors. Advisory Circular 9173 reviews surface safety best practices and standard operating procedures for single pilot operations. Additionally, the videos at www.faa.gov/go/from-the-flight-deck combine actual footage with graphics to illustrate hotspots and other safety-sensitive items. Remember, the most dangerous part of a flight is quite likely in the airport environment. Respect that risk. Use all of the tools at your disposal before making decisions. It's always better to know before you go.